Have you got a garage door that is not functioning properly? You may have an issue that can be fixed within just minutes. However, without the proper knowledge or tools to create these repairs, you will probably not be able to resolve this all on your own. You need to use an experienced business, the one that does garage door installations and repairs regularly, that can have all of the tools and parts essential for any job. These are the reasons you should contact my company, DoReMi Garage Door Installation Lone Tree Co. If you would like to repair your garage door or just install a completely new one.